station. Please respond for a CO alarm going off at a residential address of 93 Victoria Street West. Again, that's 93 Victoria Street West in the town of Wingham. Again, CO alarm going off, no symptoms. The occupant will wait outside. Attention North Huron, Wingham, please respond 93 Victoria Street West between Minnie Street and Leopold Street for a CO alarm going off at a residential building. It's going to be a CO alarm. It's been going off for the past couple minutes. There's no symptoms and the occupant of the residence will wait outside. Again, that's 93 Victoria Street West. It's January 2nd, 2310-14.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 2.
Car 2, go ahead.
Please acknowledge for the Wingham station.
Roger that, Car 2, you acknowledge the page. 2310-56.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Tank 9.
Go ahead, Tank 9.
You can show Tank 9 respond to 93 Victoria Street West, Bravo plus 5 belted for CO alarm.
The Tank 9 responding, Bravo plus 5, it's 2314.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Tank 9 on scene, Bravo B command and mobile.
Roger, Tank 9, you're on scene, Bravo on command and mobile. 2316-3.
Dispatch Car 2 is on scene as well.
Roger, Car 2, you're on scene as well. 2317.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show all occupants at home. We'll be sending a crew in to do an air quality check.
Roger that. Occupants are out of the home. Crews to make entry for air quality test momentarily. It's 2318-07.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show we have a 30.5 new construction style home, 360 in progress.
Roger, story nav, new build home. You have 360 in progress, 2319.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command. You can show we have a team of 2 entering the building on air.
Roger, team of 2 entering the building on air, 2319.
Command, this is 1. Go ahead, entry 1 command.
No readings on the main floor, making our way to the second floor.
Roger.
Command, this is 1.
Go ahead, entry 1 command.
No readings on the second floor, making our way to the basement.
Roger that. Entry 1, go. Roger, you can mark Car 2, clear the scene.
Man, copies, I believe Car 2 is clear of scene, 2326.
Entry 1, call command.
Going in command.
Talking with the homeowner. At this point, she said she's just been running the furnace. She was not running the fireplace. So Just double check around that fireplace just to make sure the pilot light's still going type deal.
Command, this is 1.
Go ahead, entry 1 command.
Enter 1, exiting the structure, no reading.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
You can show we have 0 readings through the whole structure. Entry team 1 has exited the building.
Roger that. 0 readings through the whole structure. Entry team has exited at 2328.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Command, go ahead.
We have sourced the alarming to a clock, not a CO detector. We will be doing a smoke alarm check at this time.
Roger, confirming you said that the alarm is coming from a clock at this time, and you are going to check the smoke alarms as well. It's 2334.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead. Command, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show home is being turned over to the homeowner. Command is terminated. Tank 9 returned to Wingham Station.
Roger that. Home turned over to the homeowner. Command terminated. Tank 9 returning at 12:02.